Welcome children to my English class. Today's topic of discussion is Game Addiction, a poem written by Junaid Yahya from your main course book. So here children, you can see the picture of your main course book. So we are going to deal with chapter 7 today, a poem written by Junaid Yahya. So children, here you can see the picture of the poet Yahya. Yahya was born on 1944 and is a Palestinian poet and a novelist. He was born in Shamak, a Palestinian village that was abandoned during 1948 exodus of Palestinians, 4 years after Yahya or Yaqlif's birth. So Yaqlif is the other name of the poet. Consequently, he and his family became refugees, and whatever he writes, it depends on the situation which he sees around himself, and he deals with the current issues in his writing. So today we are going to read one such poem written by him. So children, the title of the poet is Game Addiction. Now children, what is addiction? Addiction is something which creates an extensive attachment to something which affects one person physically and psychologically. So children, you must all be able to relate with today's topic because it is very common. All of us are aware of video games and mobile games, and we often remain hooked into it. So children, today we are going to read about what can be the dire consequences if we become addicted to these type of games. To a limit, everything is good. It is entertaining. It can be a process of rejuvenating yourself because we all have a hectic schedule, but we must maintain the stipulated time. It should not be more than that. So let's read the poem and find out what the poet has to tell about this addiction. Two brothers with funny names got addicted to video games. Hooked to the screen day and night, they became a horrid sight. Now homework went incomplete as they preferred to complete in the game downloaded a day before. They were on level 4. So what is the poet telling us over here? He is narrating an incident about two brothers who had a very funny name. Their names are not mentioned over here. The poet tells that they have funny names. And what is their problem? Their problem is that they got addicted to video games. Hooked to the screen. Hooked means they remain stuck. They remain glued to the screen of their video game. And day and night, they were only playing and playing without doing any sort of work. And this became a very terrific sight. Now homework went incomplete as they preferred to complete in the game downloaded a day before. They were on level 4. So children, you can imagine their level of addiction. The game which they had downloaded just the previous day, they were on level 4 just the day after. So they must have reached level 4 by playing the game throughout the day and night. They have left their homeworks incomplete. They did not do any sort of work. They just remained glued to the television, to the video game screen. So here you can see these two boys glued to the video games, and even they did not complete their food. It is lying over here. You can see children, and they are only playing and enjoying themselves even without doing their homework. Food they would not eat at all. That would stop the game after all. So you saw in the picture in the previous slide that they were busy in playing and their food was lying there on the floor, and they were least interested in having it. So why they were least interested? Because eating will consume some time from their game. They cared not for the milkman's roar. They would only imagine it, they were sure. So what did they thought? They thought that the milkman was the roaring of the milkman was their imagination. Actually, the milkman was knocking, but their games will be interrupted if they go and open the door. So they discarded it as their mere imagination. The passion for the game did soar, so they forgot to close the door. So what happened? Their passion, their attachment towards this game, their attraction towards this game was going higher and higher. Soaring means it was reaching the next level. So they forgot even to close their door. Then one night the burglars broke in and swept away each and everything. So they were so much addicted to the game that when one day nobody was there at their home, only the two children were there. That time, in their home, burglars means thieves had come. They have crept inside their home and they took away everything. But it had no effect on these children. They were so much hooked to their games. So here you can see that they were not eating their food. They were busy playing game. They even ignored the milkman's roaring and knocking on the door. They discarded it as their mere imagination. And even they did not notice that burglars were entering their house. Burglars crept in, but they kept on playing games. So this much for today, children. We will proceed with the next part of the poem in our next day's lesson. I hope all of you have understood today whatever has been taught. So thank you all of you and have a great day ahead.